Dear students, so once again we are discussing coordinate geometry, and this time the content of this video is tangent and normal, and this video is meant only for education purpose, online classes. Tangent and normal. So what is tangent? Let P and Q be any 2 points on the curve such that P and Q be any 2 points on the curve such that uh, such P and Q are near to one another. Join the secant PQ. This PQ is secant. If Q approach to P, then the secant PQ is called tangent at P to the curve. In other words, the tangent at P is the limiting position of the secant PQ through P as Q tends to coincide with P. Consequently, the tangent PT cut the curve into two coincident points at P. Definition of normal: a line through the point P perpendicular to the tangent at P is called normal to the curve at P. So, perpendicular to the tangent is known as normal to the curve. So, just see Pn is the normal to the tangent. Equation of tangent at any point. To find the equation of tangent to a circle at a point on it. So this article is important not only for this circle, but this is also important for the geometry. So let the circle be x square plus y square is equal to a square, and be the equation of the circle, and p x1 y1 be the given point on it. Since x1 y1 lies on 1, x1 y1 lies on 1, so we have x1 square plus y1 square is equal to a square, and we want to find equation of tangent at this x1 y1. Let q another point, that is x2 y2, be other point on 1, then x2 square plus y2 square is equal to a square. The equation of secant, so it's important, first of all we write the equation of secant, then we approach q approach to p, and it becomes the equation of tangent. So equation of secant pq is the 2-point form, that is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So just see this figure qp, the equation of qp. Now as q approach to p, by definition secant pq becomes the tangent at p, and therefore on taking the limit as x2 approach to x1 and y2 approach to y1 in the equation above written, so this becomes the tangent, equation of tangent. But the value of y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 is 0 over 0, so which is indeterminate. So we proceed to obtain the same value. How we find this? We subtract the value of x2 minus x1 and y2 square minus y1 square. So when we subtract this, we got x2 square minus y1 square plus y2 square minus y1 square. And on simplification, we got y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 is equal to minus x2 plus x1 over y2 plus y1. Now see, when x2 approach to x1 and y2 approach to y1, so right hand side becomes when q approach to p, x2 becomes approach to x1 and y2 approach to y1. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 approach to 2 minus 2 x1 over 2 y1. So 2 cancel, it becomes minus x1 y1, and therefore the equation of secant becomes y minus y1 is equal to the value of y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 becomes minus x1 over y1 into x minus x1. And on simplification, or y1 multiplying to the left side, we got x1 plus y1 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square. But x1 square plus y1 square is equal to a square. So it becomes x1 plus y1 is equal to a square. So student, this is our equation of tangent. And now here is the rule, working rule. So rule means it is applicable everywhere, not only in circle but everywhere whenever we have second degree equation. The equation of tangent at the point x1 y1 to any circle can be obtained by writing x square to xx1, y square to yy1, and x replaced with x plus x1 by 2, and y is replaced with y plus y1 by 2. So just see the example is there. Find the equation of tangent to the circle x square plus y square minus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0 at the point 2, 1. So equation of tangent is xx1 plus yy1 minus 4 into y plus y1 by 2 minus 1 is equal to 0, where x1 is equal to 2 and y1 is equal to 1. So it becomes 2x plus y minus 4 into y plus 1 by 2 minus 1. So this is the equation of tangent. Next is the intersection of a line and a circle. Let we have a circle, that is x square plus y square is equal to a square, and a line y is equal to mx plus c. So by the equation of a circle and a line respectively, for the point of intersection we solve 1 and 2 simultaneously, and we put the value of y in from 2 and substitute in 1. So we got x square plus mx plus c whole square is equal to a square. On opening the square and combining the coefficients, we got 1 plus m square into x square plus 2mcx plus c square minus a square is equal to 0. So which is a quadratic equation, and quadratic equation means having two roots. Since equation 3 is quadratic in x, it gives two values of x which may be real, distinct, coincident or imaginary. According to, there are 2 points of intersection of a circle and the line 2 hence a line always cut a circle in 2 points which may be real and distinct, coincident or imaginary. So this is intersection of a circle and a line. And now here is the condition of tangency. Tangency means when the roots are real and equal. So coincident roots are required to find the condition when the line y is equal to mx plus c become the tangent to the circle. So what we do, we put value of y to the circle. So equation of tangent is xx1 plus yy1 is equal to a square, and equation of tangent is this, but the given equation is y is equal to mx plus c is a tangent to the given circle. So this line, both the two lines are coincident. Coincident means the student can solve these two lines. How we solve these two lines? That means 1 and 2 represent same. This is the one way. Another way is xx1 plus yy1 minus a square is equal to 0. mx minus y plus c is equal to 0. On simplification, these two, when we simplify by lower class method, we got x1 by m, y1 by minus 1 and a minus a square by c. So x1 becomes minus a square m by c, and y1 becomes a square by c, and substituting these value in the given circle, we got this one, c is equal to a into under root 1 plus m square, and this value of c, when we substitute in the line, given line, that is y is equal to mx plus c, we got the required condition. So now come to the another one. This is remarks 1. The line y is equal to mx plus c. C is a into under root 1 plus m square is always a tangent to a circle. Whatever the value of m may be, in fact it is a family of tangents to the circle. The line y is equal to mx plus a into 1 plus m square is called the equation of tangent in m form, or in slope form of the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. The point of contact of the tangent is of the circle is minus am over under root 1 plus m square and comma a over 1 plus m square under root. Here is the example. Find the condition that the line this may touch the circle. So touch the circle means this line is tangent to the circle. What is the equation of circle? Equation of circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square. So equation of tangent, that is x1 plus y1 is equal to a square. And then we write it like that. The two lines x cos alpha plus y sin alpha minus p is equal to 0, and the line x1 plus y1 minus a square is equal to 0 represent same, and then we can find value of x1 and y1. So next is equation of normal. To find the equation of normal to the circle, x square plus y square is equal to a square at any point x1 y1 on it. So student, it's very easy when we write the equation of tangent. So what is the equation of tangent? From there we find the slope of tangent, slope of normal, and then we write the equation of tangent. So equation of tangent is x1 plus y1 is equal to a square. What is slope of tangent? That is minus x1 over y1. So slope of normal is minus plus y1 over x1, and the equation of normal at x1 y1 is y minus y1 is equal to y1 over x1 into x minus x1. On simplify, we got x y1 minus x1 y is equal to 0, which is required equation of normal. So here we have some question later to this. Find the equation of tangent, which is very easy. Prove that this is touch the axis. That means we want to find equation of tangent, which is either x-axis or y-axis. Prove that the line lx plus my plus n touches the circle. So it's also easy. We write the equation of tangent to circle, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, and the equation of tangent becomes xx1 plus y1 plus 2gx plus x1 by 2 plus 2fy plus y1 by 2 plus c is equal to 0. And when we compare it with lx plus my plus n is equal to 0, that means 1 and 2 represent same. Just simplify it, that's all. And similarly, we have another questions. So all the students are advised to solve this question. If you find any difficulty, you can call me anytime, or you can ask question in the class also. Thank you.